creation is like a wild roller coaster, always changing and full of surprises. But there's one thing: everyone wants the golden ticket to YouTube stardom. And guess what? Noah Morris might have cracked the code. This genius creator skyrocketed from pocket change, just $100 a month, to a jaw-dropping $500,000 in only 90 days. His story is not just inspiring, it's a roadmap for anyone looking to make it big on YouTube. Most of you may be thinking, how did he pull off this magic trick? And the answer is through faceless YouTube channels. Intrigued? You should be. Let's dive in and uncover his secret formula. But before we dive in, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. This way, you won't miss out on any of our tips and strategies for making it big on YouTube. Faceless channels are what Noah Morris uses. The creator's voice or face is absent from these channels. Rather, they concentrate on subjects that can be read aloud or presented by voice actors on Hire, or even by text-to-speech software. Imagine not having to worry about being camera ready or spending hours perfecting your on-screen presence. Instead, you can focus purely on the content and let others, or even technology, handle the presentation. This model allows for a broader range of content, from animations and slideshows to stock footage and graphic presentations. Noah's approach isn't just about anonymity, it's about scalability. By not being the face of the channel, he can run multiple channels simultaneously without being spread too thin. This means more content, more views, and ultimately more revenue. Over 20 of these channels are run by Noah, and their content varies from sports and celebrity rumors to crime-related topics. These topics attract massive audiences and generate high engagement rates, leading to significant ad revenue. It's important to note that faceless channels do have a controversial image before we get into how some argue that the authenticity that sets YouTube apart is absent from this type of automated content creation. Critics claim that these channels can feel impersonal and may lack the unique touch that individual creators bring to their content. However, the data speaks for itself, and Noah's approach is producing outstanding results. Let's delve into his blueprint for a successful faceless YouTube channel. Number 1. Choosing the appropriate niche. The most important stage in Noah's search was selecting the correct niche. He claims that sports, celebrity material, and crime-related subjects are some of the highest-paying niches. These are especially true for American audiences, who produce higher RPMs revenue per mil. But why these niches? Sports is a universal language that attracts millions of viewers worldwide. Whether it's the latest game highlights, player statistics, or behind-the-scenes stories, sports content is always in demand. Celebrity gossip and rumors feed our innate curiosity and desire for drama. Fans are always eager to know the latest scoop about their favorite stars. Crime stories, especially true crime, tap into our fascination with the darker aspects of human nature. These stories are gripping, suspenseful, and often shocking, making them highly engaging. Noah's success isn't just about picking popular topics, it's about understanding what keeps audiences hooked. The more engaged your audience, the longer they watch, and the more ads they see, boosting your revenue. It's a fine balance between what's trending and what has lasting appeal. Number 2. Methods for niche discovery. To discover lucrative niches, Noah uses two main methods. YouTube Incognito method. Noah would use the Incognito mode on his browser to explore YouTube, clicking on potentially valuable videos to teach the platform's recommendation system to show him related channels. This method helps bypass YouTube's algorithm that tailors content based on your viewing history, allowing for a more objective view of trending topics. By resetting the algorithm's influence, he gets a clearer picture of what's popular across a broader audience. The keyword method. This involves entering random keywords associated with possible niches and arranging the search results according to the month's most viewed count. By analyzing which topics are generating the most views, Noah identifies high potential niches. This method also involves looking at the competition. If a topic is generating high views, but has relatively few content creators, it's a golden opportunity. Noah suggests examining subscriber numbers and total views with tools like Vidiq to spot possible goldmines, channels with a lot of views, but not many subscribers. This indicates a strong interest in the content but possibly underserved audience, offering a prime opportunity for new creators. Number 3. Strategy for content. Choosing your content approach is the next step after identifying a potential niche. Noah supports two strategies. Superior content. In this case, your main goal is to provide content that is competitive in practically any market. This might involve investing in higher production values, more in-depth research, or unique angles on popular topics. Superior content stands out because of its quality and depth, making it more likely to be shared and recommended by viewers. First movers benefit. By taking this method, you may have to make quality compromises in order to be the first to close a market gap. This strategy focuses on speed and volume, capitalizing on trending topics or newly emerging niches before they become saturated. Being the first to address a trending topic can lead to a surge in views and subscribers, as viewers flock to your channel for the latest information. Number 4. Topic selection. Noah advises choosing themes by copying the strategies of other channels in your niche. Crucially, rather than relying just on intuition, your decisions should be data-driven and based on what has previously worked well. By analyzing successful channels, you can discern patterns in content that attract views. For instance, if you notice multiple channels gaining traction with videos about a particular sports event or a celebrity scandal. That's a signal to create similar content. Data-driven decisions ensure that you are not shooting in the dark, but are strategically planning your content for maximum impact. Number 5. The team and the production. Noah advises against automating the process entirely at the beginning. Instead, start as a regular creator. This means handling the editing, hiring an AI to narrate the videos, and writing the scripts yourself at first. Starting hands-on allows you to understand every part of the process and set the standards for your content. As your channel grows, you can gradually outsource tasks to focus on scaling your operations. Learning the ropes yourself also makes it easier to train others to maintain the quality you've established. Number 6. Hiring the right people. When you're ready to grow, hire people who have a strong interest in the niche you've selected. Typically, Noah searches Discord channels for writers on the subject or contacts bloggers who have already written about it. This approach ensures that the people you hire are not only skilled but also passionate about the content. Passion translates to higher quality work, which resonates with viewers and keeps them coming back. Passionate team members are more likely to go the extra mile, producing content that stands out. Number 7. Video editors and voice actors. The most important thing for voiceovers is that the voice should sound good to your intended audience. A pleasant, engaging voice can significantly enhance the viewing experience. The right voice actor can bring your script to life, making the content more relatable and engaging. Understanding retention-based editing, or the practice of creating videos that keep viewers interested, is a critical ability when it comes to video editing. This involves pacing, visuals, and storytelling techniques that keep viewers hooked until the end. Good editors know how to use cuts, transitions, and effects to maintain interest and avoid viewer drop-off. Number 8. Thumbnails. Making thumbnails is an essential ability that is frequently ignored. Noah advises creating your own thumbnails at first in order to figure out what attracts viewers to click on them. Thumbnails are the first impression of your video, and a compelling one can drastically increase your click-through rate. Experiment with different styles, colors, and texts to see what works best for your audience. Once you've identified successful patterns, you can delegate this task to designers trained on your tested ideas. Canva has some excellent themes for YouTube thumbnails. Remember, a good thumbnail is not just eye-catching but also representative of the content, avoiding the pitfalls of clickbait. Number 9. The financials. How much does it cost and how much can you make? Launching a Faceless channel is not free, but it also doesn't have to be expensive. Noah estimates that he needed to make roughly 12 videos at $100 each in order to break even, or $1,200. He advises beginners to budget between $3,000 and $3,500 for the first 35 videos. Consider these initial costs as an investment. Quality content is more likely to attract and retain viewers, leading to faster monetization and revenue growth. It's also important to track your expenses and revenues carefully to understand your profitability and plan for reinvestment. Noah disclosed his profits, saying he brought in about $200,000 in a single month the previous year. Even if that may be at the upper end of the range, it still demonstrates the enormous potential of this business strategy. Achieving such results requires dedication, strategic planning, and constant optimization. Even though it is controversial, the Faceless YouTube channel model is unquestionably profitable in a time when creating content is becoming a genuine career. The scalability and flexibility of this model make it an attractive option for many aspiring content creators. The strategies Noah Morris has used might well be the answer for you if you're trying to find a way to enter the content creation industry or want to add another source of income. By focusing on high-demand niches, leveraging data-driven decisions, and gradually building a team of passionate professionals, you can replicate his success. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, faceless YouTube channels are likely to become even more prevalent. They offer a unique blend of anonymity and profitability, allowing creators to focus on what they do best, creating compelling content that captivates audiences. So are you ready to embark on your journey to YouTube stardom? Follow Noah's blueprint, stay committed, and you might just be the next success story in the world of faceless content creation. In summary, Noah Morris's meteoric rise on YouTube is a testament to the power of strategic thinking and innovation. By pioneering the faceless channel model, he has opened up new possibilities for content creators everywhere. Whether you're looking to make your first dollar online or scale an existing venture, Noah's methods provide a proven path to success. Embrace the journey, stay adaptable, and let your creativity shine through every video you produce. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create even better content for you. And most importantly, if you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon